Hi everyone, I'm Leslie. Welcome to my channel. I've had a few questions about this watered down Waverly antiquing wax. So I thought I would give a short little video on how I do this. This is the Waverly antiquing wax, and it is a water-based product. That's why I can mix it with water. And I get this at Walmart, and it's very reasonable, and it goes a long way. It has lasted forever. As you can see, it is more on the liquid side. It is not a solid, hard wax. Here I'll be pouring a little bit out so you can see the consistency. You can use it full strength, straight out of the bottle, as I'll show you here in a minute. You can also just use a mister, like paint this onto your product and use a mister to help it move around. Once you have your project painted, dried real good, distressed back how you want it, then all you're going to do is take this and spread it on, and then you can wipe it back with just a paper towel, a dry cloth, whatever you want to use. And if it's too dark, you can always use a wet wipe and wipe it back. This also works real well with the crackle products. And as long as the crackle products is water-based, you can use this method. As you can see, full strength out of the bottle, just wipe back with a paper towel. It's a really beautiful color. And as you can see, I misted it with a little bit of water and it moves the product. And if it's too dark, that helps to wipe it back. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the product and I'm just going to mix it with some water. You can mix whatever strength you want. In the jar, I put my Waverly antiquing wax, and I just add water till I'm happy with the consistency. I want to say maybe half and half. You just mix it till it's the right consistency for what you want. You can always add more wax. You can always add more water. I would start off and just do a little bit and see how you like it. So basically, you can just use it straight out of the jar and mix it with water. The reason I mix it in the jar is because I usually use this quite a bit on most of my projects because that's the look that I really love. So that's why I mix it in the jar and I have it ready to use. One thing, if you do decide to mix some in a jar and have it ready, be sure before you use it, you shake it real well because it will kind of settle. So here you can see the jar. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and it's no different than whether you use it straight or you mist it with water or you mix it with water. It's pretty much all going to be the same. I just have it ready to go in a jar. So no matter what brand of antiquing glaze you use, here is some paint couture, and because it is water-based, I can spritz it with water to help it get down into the details of my projects. So basically, that's all there is to it. The Waverly is very reasonable, and it goes a long way. Please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank you.